Hi, welcome to Trendy Output YouTube channel. Today I am going to try Slurrp Farm Millet Dosa mix. It is beetroot flavor. One packet makes 6 to 7 dosas. It is 150 grams. Let's prepare the batter first. Take a bowl. Empty the contents of the pack. After that, add 240 ml curd. After curd, add 240 ml of water. Now mix it well to make smooth batter. Mixing completed. The batter is ready. Now let's take a pan and start cooking dosas. Add some oil. Dosa is ready. Now serve with chutney. That's it. Thank you for visiting Trendy Output YouTube channel.